The Creole tomatoes are just about done at Johnny Becknell's in Belle Chase. When the pickings get slim, there's always the Alabama vine ripe. The Gaines certainly know their Creoles and their yellow squash. But any good crop just might get others confused.
So which ones you going for now?
I'm going for the Creoles. I meant to go for the Louisiana ones, not the Alabama ones.
Customers might be thinking of tomatoes and squash and bell peppers right now, but in a couple of weeks, the lines will be forming for the Satsuma. First up, the Armstrong.
Right now, the sugar content is around 6.5, and it must be 10 before we can begin to pick them.
Grower Madeline Becknell's been at this a long time, long enough to sympathize with her Florida competition. Their crop in the path of last week's Hurricane Charlie was devastated. Great producing trees ripped out of the ground. You have a fighting chance from Florida to South Louisiana in the winter by insulating at 32 degrees. With tropical systems coming through, you can only hold your breath.
When you look at them, they hang on there like grapes, and to think that the wind would knock all of them down.
So, is Florida's loss Plaquemines Parish's gain? LSU Ag Center's Wayne Bourgeois.
Not necessarily. Florida is mainly a processing crop, very little fresh market.
Meaning, Florida goes for the juice. Plaquemines Parish citrus is strictly for eating, even if you get an early try.
It's a little tart.
A little tart. But it tastes like an orange, doesn't it?
And what would give this grower comfort?
Easy winter, easy hurricane season, and we'll be happy. And farmers are rarely ever happy.
Still, she says, she just couldn't have it any other way. Steve Bellis, ABC 26 News.